Hi my friends, so my 24th Panzer parts are coming along very well, but I've really got the motorbike rider on there and he's starting to look really good. Very happy with Master Box and its motorcycle. I would like to try that Great Wall motorbike that looks a bit more expensive, but this one is fine. I've got another one I've got of the exact same type. So I'll be able to build another one and paint it in a different style. But yeah, just made this one for 24th Panzer. And it's, yeah, I'm really happy with it. The figure's coming up very well. They are, you know, plastic figures. They're not as good as the resin ones, but they do the job. That's a nice rifle by Mini Art. And I do have some resin parts on it. That backpack there is resin. It's got some resin bags. And it's got some more resin bags on the sidecar. Very, very nice. The machine gun's just there, which is really cool looking as well. But Dragon's new weapons are really awesome. You see the how you can open the breech in that, and it's got the spring inside you can see and everything. That's really cool. Dragon second generation weapons or whatever are really cool. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. The other figure is here. I haven't done much of him at all. I think I've just spray painted the top coat on him, that's it. So he's holding onto the machine gun and just sitting in there, but I put the different heads on, so I just swapped their heads around. So I put the driver's head on this sidecar dude and the sidecar dude's head on him. I thought that looks better. And he'll go with it. But I've barely done anything to this figure, so he'll be next. And then once it's all together, I reckon it'll look ace. I really like it. I used photo etch for the these little collar insignia. You see he's got muddy shoes. And he's got muddy knees. Alright my friends, just a quick look and I'll speak to you again soon.